Hello everybody, on today's video we have the Inseego MiFi X PRO 5G wireless hotspot. Let's get this thing unboxed and check it out. Alright, and this is the ultra fast 5G hotspot with Wi-Fi 6. You can use this as a 4G hotspot as well. Supports up to 32 devices with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, so this thing will last for quite a while. Rocking a 2.4-inch color display for quick access to Wi-Fi name, password, data usage, and connection status. And this thing allows you to access the SIM card underneath the battery, and it also includes an Ethernet port for connecting to other computers and printers, or a switch as well, which is great. Comes with an AC power adapter and a USB-C cable outside of the box, so you can charge this thing right up. And just a note, if you're going to be using the Ethernet port, make sure to keep the device plugged in. Here we're checking out the menu, which gives you a boatload of different features like Wi-Fi. You can change your band, check your connected device, your data usage, turn the Ethernet port on or off if you would like. You can also check your messages, do a screen timeout, and many more things, including updating the device straight from the screen. Next up, you can also access the device settings through the web interface as well. Just type in my.jetpack from your browser. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and run the speed test. Once again, this is 5G and I'm in Los Angeles. We're going to go ahead and run the wireless 5G speed test first. And as you guys can see, this thing is really fast, fantastic speeds. Once again, that is 435 megabits per second on the download, and on the upload has 82 megabits per second as well. Next up, we're going to go ahead and try the wired connection through my Ethernet dongle here. And as you can see, this one is not as fast. It's rocking about 93 or so on the download speeds, and on the upload speeds, it's about 50 or so. Once again, still some pretty good speeds, just not as fast as the wireless 5G speeds that we were getting. And once again, you can use this device for laptops, tablets, or for gaming consoles and cameras. And that was the Inseego MiFi X PRO 5G hotspot. Buy yours now.